Hey guys, welcome to OnMaker Studio. Today, the internet is flooded with AI tools for almost every task, and one of those is music production. There are many AI tools available that can help anybody with different aspects of music creation, from writing the lyrics to mastering the cover song. Here are some examples of AI tools for each category. Music generation. These tools can generate original music in various styles and moods based on your input or preferences. Some examples are 1. Traxy AI. Meet Traxy AI, your ultimate YouTube music generator. Just sign up, select genre or mood, choose length, and click Create Track. Use for free with proper attribution. Save, download, and elevate your videos effortlessly. 2. Waveformer. Use Waveformer for quick, AI-generated music. Go to the Waveformer website. Type in your prompt. Enter your desired video length, up to 30 seconds. Click the Make Music button, and voila! You'll get both music and video formats as results. Download them according to your needs. It's that simple. If we were to select between these two, Waveformer would win out because it allows us to insert any genre, emotion, instrument, or theme in the prompt box. That is not constrained in any way. AI Cover Songs Maker. These tools can create cover versions of existing songs in different styles or genres. Some examples are Musicfy AI. Create custom cover songs effortlessly. Sign up at musicfy.lol for a free account. Select a song, choose a singer, fine-tune, and generate. Download your masterpiece as an MP3 or share on social media. 2. Singify. For Singify, sign up free on their website. Choose from 100 plus AI voice models or upload or record your own song. Wait for AI to generate the cover, then download or share it. 3. Melodies. A website that lets you upload any audio file and transform it into different voices. Out of these 3 free AI cover song makers, my choice is Singify. It produces a clearer sound, while the other 2 generate robotic sounds. AI Songwriter or Lyrics Generator. These tools can help you write lyrics or melodies for your songs based on your input or inspiration. Some examples are 1. Freshbots.org. Freshbots.org is a fun and easy way to make music without any musical skills or instruments. You just need to choose a genre, a mood, and some keywords, and the website will generate lyrics for you based on your input. 2. TheseLyricsDon'tExist.com. It uses AI to generate lyrics based on your input. Go to their website, just enter the song topic, genre, mood, and click on Generate Lyrics. And there you go. 3. Boredhumans.com. Go to boredhumans.com, click on Lyrics Generator, enter the topic or the keyword and the style of any singer or composer, and hit Submit. Also, the best and most unique thing is that you can choose the style of your favorite artist or musician, and it will generate lyrics as per that particular style. And it's not limited to just lyric generation. It provides 100 plus free AI tools to its users, and keep adding 5 to 10 new AI tools every month. Out of these 3 free AI lyrics generators, both Freshbots and Boredhumans are my favorite for different reasons. With Freshbots, we have liberty to write the topics, keywords, and also the genre. And with Boredhumans, we can even enter the writing style of our favorite musician or composer. Music mastering. These tools can help you improve the sound quality of your music tracks using AI. Some examples are 1. Bandlab.com. If we talk about an easy-to-use tool to master your music, then BandLab surely comes on top. Just sign up for free. Click here on 4 dots, select Mastering, upload your track and relax. BandLab does the rest. 2. AI Mastering. AI Mastering. It's a free online audio enhancement service. It swiftly improves your music's quality by optimizing loudness and dynamic range, preparing your tracks for distribution in minutes. Both are free mastering tools online. I will go with BandLab because it supports all kinds of files and provides support. Separate vocals. These tools can help you isolate vocals from any audio file using AI. Some examples are 1. vocalremover.org, a tool that can separate vocals and instruments from any audio file using AI. You can use it to create acapellas, remixes, karaoke tracks, or cover songs. 2. Moises, tool that can separate vocals and instruments from any audio file using AI. You can also use it to adjust the volume, pitch, tempo, or key of each track or export them as stems. Moises is surely the first choice out of these two because it offers 4 tracks which you can download separately. Composition. These tools can help you compose music for various purposes using AI. Some examples are 1. Mubert, a tool that can generate adaptive music for videos, games, podcasts, or apps using AI. It has free and paid plans for various needs. You can choose accordingly. With free plan attribution is needed. 2. AI VA, AI composer for orchestral music. Choose style and mood. Create original pieces or remix existing ones. Free plan, compose unlimited, 3 monthly downloads. No monetization, requires attribution. I loved Mubert though. Mubert is easy to use where you can enter your mood, genre, style, or theme in the prompt box. Music Video Maker. These tools can help you create music videos for your songs using AI. onmaker.io, the very simple yet powerful tool which can create animated videos for your music, podcast, or audio files. You can add text, images, video background, and music. It has both free and paid plans. It provides 3 different categories for music videos like lo-fi, AI album cover, and music visualizers. Each category has different moods and themes to choose from. Album Cover Maker. These tools can help you create album covers for your music using AI. Some examples are 1. Canva, a tool that can create stunning album covers for your music using AI. You can also use it to access millions of images, icons, fonts, and graphics, or design your own from scratch. 2. PosterMeWall, a tool that can create realistic album covers for your music using AI. You can choose any template as per your theme, and they have a vast library of more than 34,000 album cover designs. With free plans, album covers come with watermarks. If we talk about the free option, I loved PosterMeWall more to make an album cover as it has plenty of templates to choose from and has smaller watermark. Vocal and Instrumental Preview. These tools can help you preview how your vocals or instruments will sound in your music using AI. Some examples are Tone Transfer. Tone Transfer enables you to convert ordinary sounds into musical instruments. Simply record and upload audio directly to your browser and experience our machine learning models transforming it into saxophones, flutes, and more. Text-to-speech or text-to-rap. These tools can help you convert text-to-speech or rap song using AI. Some examples are 1. Typecast, a tool that can create realistic speech from text using AI. You just need to put your text and generate the audio and download it. Note that with a free plan, you will get watermarked audio, and you need to give attribution as well. 2. Uberdruck, a tool that can create rap songs from text using AI. You can also use it to choose from various beats, styles, and flows, or record your own vocals or lyrics. Free plan comes with limited download duration. If we were to choose between these two, I will go with Uberdruck as it has a simpler interface and better options to generate speech. So these were the free AI music tools, and if you're looking for higher quality, more customization, diverse genres, commercial licensing, better support, ad-free, longer songs, offline use, additional tools, then you can explore their paid subscriptions as well. And if you want some more easy-to-follow editing tutorials, just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you the next time.